Right, I'm just going to assemble the wheels. They're going to need a lot more work yet, obviously, before they're painted, but we need to get them together. What I'll do, I'll put glue in the middle, and then I will run round the edges with Tamiya thin. So these wheels are handed, and they're also pin located, but the pin can get the pins in the wrong way around, which the wheel doesn't, obviously the spokes don't coincide with one another. So I'll let that grab. And then on the rim that I didn't touch, I'll just run around with some super thin and let the capillary action just pull it into the joint. As I always say with glue, less is more. So in some cases, especially when you want to try and keep the finish on the outside of the wheels. I don't want to get anything on the outside of the wheels because they're quite nicely finished as they are. So now ordinarily I would maybe put a weight on this to keep the rim together, but looking at it, it's fitting really nice, so it doesn't probably need it, but I still will probably put a little bit of a counterweight on it just to make sure it sits. That's basically it. You just repeat for this is the front one. You just repeat exactly the same for the rear one. So I'll catch you in the next one.